Hello kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever wanted to create your own world with just a pair of scissors and some glue? Get ready, because today we're cutting and pasting our way to shape-tastic fun. Let's see what cool creations we can make.
Mina, look! There's paper, scissors, and glue. Make your world with shapes. Baba, can we join? I want to make a picture using shapes.
Of course. It's called a cut and paste craft. You cut out shapes from the paper and paste them to make pictures.
That sounds like fun! Can we make something together?
Absolutely. Let's grab some paper, scissors, and glue and get started. Let's start with cutting some simple shapes. First, we'll make a circle. Take a round lid or a cup, trace it on the paper, and cut along the line.
I'm making a big orange circle. It's like cutting out a big orange.
Great job! Now, let's cut a square. Remember, a square has 4 equal sides. Draw a square and cut along the lines.
Baba, can you help me in cutting square shapes?
Sure, my dear.
It looks like a little window. Now we have circles and squares. Baba, let's go home. We will cut more shapes and make new things by pasting them.
That looks wonderful. What are you making?
We're making a house. We're using a square for the base and a triangle for the roof. And we're using a rectangle for the door.
What a great idea! You're using different shapes to build your picture. Once you know how to cut basic shapes, you can build anything, houses, trees, or even a park scene.
Exactly.
Now it's the time for quiz. What shape will you get if you cut a piece of paper into a circle? Option A, a round shape with no corners. Option B, a shape with 3 sides. Option A is correct. A circle is round, not straight or pointy. Which picture shows a design you can create by pasting a square and a triangle together? Option A, a house. Option B, a tree. Excellent. Option A is correct. A house often has a square bottom, the body, and a triangle for the roof. Which picture shows a creative animal design using circles and rectangles? Option A, a lion. Option B, a caterpillar. Good job! Option B is correct. A caterpillar's body is made of circles. You can use cutout shapes to make a picture of a flower. Is this statement true or false? Think of petals as circles or ovals and the stem as a rectangle or line. Perfect! This statement is true. Pasting different shapes randomly always creates a proper picture. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Proper designs need a plan, but random shapes may not form recognizable pictures. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be sticking pieces together to create something amazing. Stay tuned for more colorful fun. Until then, keep your scissors ready and your creativity flowing. See you on our next adventure.